coming back to you, Holly, I have to say you're very controversial, if we're to be honest. And I guess it also comes with the genre, like, it's just hip hop,
Yeah.
and there's a lot of controversy there. And I feel like you also love it. Like recently today, you tweeted, I'm not sure, but I saw the tweet today. You tweeted about your dissing Volts and Saint Flo. And I actually thought, you and Saint Flo work together. What's really going on there?
I wasn't dissing anybody.
Yo, you said he needs to be humble. You said something along those lines. Yeah, but I mean, for
If
someone to
anyone
be
is
told
told
that.
to be humble, is that a diss? That's not a diss.
No, it means you're probably doing something wrong. Maybe you're being
It's care.
too
It's care. I'm the father of Zim Hip Hop. I'm their father.
Okay.
All of them, all the way from Volts, Kiki, everyone that's doing Zim Hip Hop. And as the father, I have to speak the truth and I have to lead the youth.
Okay, father.
Yeah.